Hi everyone, my name is Angel Scott, and today I am talking about early number concepts in number sense. So this is the teaching, facilitation, and development of math and numeracy skills in the early years, such as pre-K, kindergarten, and first grade. These are those foundational years, and students are learning quantity. And an aspect of quantity is subitizing. So how do you see it without actually counting the individual pieces? Like, let's just say I have 2 jars of beads. Students will be able to tell me, oh, one jar has more beads because I can just visually tell. So this is an aspect of quantity. And counting is actually exactly what it means. It applies counting, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or even 2, 4, 6. That's still counting. Another way is cardinality, and that's basically looking at a sequence and knowing that the final number in that sequence indicates how many in all. That's an aspect of cardinality. Like I have 12 donuts. Knowing that there's 12 donuts in there. The very last one, if I was to count, there was 12. That would indicate to me that there are 12 donuts. So I know that the sequence is 12. But this early number concepts and number sense is not easy for every student to grasp, and some students may need help. One of the challenges that many students face is seeing numbers in backwards formation or in reverse. So let's just say we have the number 61 or 71, 81, whatever. We're going to go with 71. If we have the number 71, but students are identifying that number as 17 instead of 71, or even having the number 17 and students identifying this number as 71 instead of 17, like that backwards and reversing. And this is usually indicated in when students are seeing teens, so 16, 15, 14. When students are seeing these numbers, that's when that backwards or reversibility happens or occurs. So one way to combat this issue is to introduce a vertical timeline to students, or not even a timeline, a vertical number line to students, because students will be able to see that after the number 16 comes 17, after the number 17 comes 18. So it shows students exactly what's next, and also this representation can help students remember, and the repetition of it being introduced can help students learn, hey, this is the correct way. Rather than seeing 71 or 71, I see 17. So this, I've created for you all a number timeline, and you can see after the number 13 comes 14, then 15, then 16. But students can visually see us moving up on the number line and see that instead of it being 31, it's 31. It's been written 13, and instead of 41, 14, and so on and so on. But another issue, again, as I mentioned, is that students tend to see numbers backwards as well. So let's just say students see the number 3 backwards. So in order for us to combat this issue, what we would do is show students a couple cards, and we're still working on the number 3. So let's just say we show students 3 cards. 2 of those cards have the backwards or an incorrect formation of the number 3, and one number actually has the correct formation of number 3. And what we would do is we would introduce these numbers and have students circle the correct way. So let's say we have this number. Now we know that this is not the number 3, but students may not know it. So you show them this. You show them this, and you're like, this is backwards for me when it's turned this way. You show them this, and students are like, close, but not there. You show them this, which is actually the correct way. It may look backward on you all screen, but the correct way, and then students are able to grasp. And with repetition, students are able to construct their own learning from their experience that 3 is written this way instead of the other correct formations that I've seen. But thank you all, and I hope you all have a great day. Bye.